Ready for Red is e-learning platform for awareness about HIV/AIDS. Option B meant for 10 to 19 years old individuals. C meant for 11 to 16-year-old individuals. D e-learning platform for menstruation and menstrual hygiene products. Now options comes later. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option A and B only. Option B and C only. Option C and D only. Option D, A and C only. C, the answer is Ready for Red is primarily an e-learning platform designed for menstruation and menstrual hygiene product awareness. The acronym RED refers to the color commonly associated with menstruation. So such a platform play a crucial role in dispelling myth, addressing concerns and promoting safe and hygienic menstrual practices. Particularly, it targets those aged 11 to 16 years, a group that is in transition phase from childhood to adolescence and is likely encountering or about to encounter menstruation for the first time. So the correct option here is option C, which includes C and D, that is meant for 11 to 16-year-old, and it is an e-learning platform for menstruation and menstrual hygiene products.